Hey everyone, so I'm going to make a video on how to make ramen noodles in the microwave. So first step is you grab your noodles and then you grab a bowl. Now with the noodles, it depends if you want them long or not. If you don't, you can go like this. Oops. And break up the noodles. And you attempt to open up the package. And you pour all your noodles, every last noodle, in the bowl, and then you take out your chicken flavor. And then, so you just have your noodles. What you want to do now is you want to fill it with water, but not like all the way. Just, oh, wait. I forgot hot water. So you gotta wait till this gets hot, which in my house takes like forever. Pretty much. Takes forever. Taking forever. My house is like so old, so it's gonna take forever. Oh, what happened to that? Yeah, it's getting warmer. So yeah, you just want to fill it up a little till about there. And take your noodles in the microwave. And then put this thing on for, oops, forgot reset because it was already on something. Oh my gosh, that thing is loud. But yeah, and then here's all the ramen noodles. You can buy them single like this, or you can buy them in the box like this. I just like cut it. Hot. Normally you would let that sit in there. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that is so hot. Oh my goodness, that is like so hot. Oh my gosh. So, yeah. And then you take your chicken flavor. Oh, you also get a fork. Doesn't matter which fork. Fork and chicken packet. So you rip it, and what you want to do is you want to pour out half of it and then mix it. And then pour the rest in. And then you keep mixing it. And voila. Some people choose to drain out that water, but just for the intents and purposes of this video, I'm just going to show you that. So yeah, that's the end product of ramen noodles. Bye!